what is the best way to deter snakes in the garden? I sure don't want to find one while I'm working, and this is Mary, right here in Cordova. So, yeah, we get that question a lot at the Extension office as well. So how do you deter those snakes from being in the garden?
Well, you know, if you're finding snakes, if you're finding snakes in your garden while you're tilling things up, snakes that are in there, those are typically going to be smaller snakes that are beneficial to your soil. They're eating things like earthworms. So if you've got earthworms, then you're doing something right. If you've got enough that you're attracting predators, you've got some great soil, right? So those guys, they're really small. So things like worm snakes, smooth earth snakes, small snakes hanging out in that area. Not a bad thing.
Not a bad thing.
And they are way more afraid of us. They see us as predators. If you're attracting the larger snakes, those snakes are typically going after rodents. And so again, food source, if you can eliminate the food source, you're gonna prevent them from coming in there. But the little ones in your garden, they look like worms. Just say they're worms and move on.
Just say they're worms and move on. All right, so what about those big snakes? So can you give us some examples of some of the big snakes we might see in the garden?
Oh, sure, so rat snakes. Okay, the name kind of gives away what they're going after. King snakes. King snakes are great to have around. I always say, if this is not going to make sense at first, if you don't like snakes, you want to have a king snake around. So the king snakes actually eat other snakes.
How about that?
Including venomous snakes. So it is a non-venomous snake, but they will eat other snakes. And they will keep other snakes out of the area. So if you see a king snake and you're not a big fan of snakes, make sure you keep the king snakes around.
How about that? Yeah, so do your research and so you can know what those king snakes look like, be able to identify them. So having a king snake is actually good.
It is, yeah, they'll keep the other snakes away.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.